What's up, everybody? It's your boy TuPhones back again with another informative video. These are some great unboxings and great products. I think most people, normal, maybe consumers, would be interested in. I've actually haven't done my research on the Lenovo Smart Clock 2 with the wireless charging dock, but I saw that at Best Buy and I was like, I gotta get this device, gotta get this product. So I went ahead and got it from Best Buy. I think it's on sale or something like that for $69.99, and you could get the Google Nest Hub, which is on sale for $49.99. This is generation 2 from Google. It's a 7-inch display, second generation. You want to go around the box, you can see what's on the box. They give you a nice description and detail about what you can do with this device. Now you can get the clock, you can get the weather on the home screen, you can listen to your music, you get alerts. You can control your house with this device. And then with the clock, you can also charge your smartphone. This is the one with the wireless charging dock. This is Smart Clock 2 from Lenovo. I'm not too big of Lenovo's products, but apparently they're doing a great job with these smart clocks and smart homes and things of that sort. So I'm going to give this a test run for myself personally, and I'll let you guys know in the back end, is this device and product even worth picking up? But like I said, you can get this at Best Buy right now at $69.99, and you get the Google Nest Hub for $49.99. Okay, so let me just go ahead and unwrap the box and let's see what's inside these boxes real fast. Okay, all right, so here we are. We are greeted with the big 7-inch screen. Now it's also docked already with the speaker and stand, so you don't really have to do too much connectivity with it, except for like plugging it up and powering on and setting up your Google account with it. Now also in the box you get the manual. So you get the instruction manual, you get the starter kit. It shows you step by step how to set it up and things in that sort, if people even pay attention to that now. And then also we have, of course, we have the power cord. So you got the power cord. I'm not sure it's USB type C or it's just a regular plug, but it looks like yeah, it's just a regular one. It's not USB type C or anything fancy in that sort. And all you guys going to do is you're just going to plug it up in the back right here as I'm showing on the screen. Okay, and just plug it up, power it on, and you'll have it like that. So that's with the Google Nest Hub, Google Home Nest. And also we're going to go ahead and open up the smart clock, which I think is a cool, neat gadget. And you're going to do this. You're going to open that up. There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. So, and we got the main box. Okay. So here is the smart clock. Let's just unwrap this real fast. Alrighty. You got this nice little gadget right here. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what it looks like without the plastic on it. All right. Cool little neat gadget. And then you got the power cord to come with it. We're going to go ahead and open that up as well. All right, let's see. All right, there we go. And then, of course, just like the Google Nest Hub, you're going to power it and plug it in from the back like that. And then you can start, playing with it. Of course, the instruction manuals and, neat stuff like that. If you want to take a look at that, let's move the box out the way. Also, don't forget about the charging dock. It came in this separate box. Inside the box, it was underneath. So we're going to open that up and show you what the charging dock looks like. Okay. All right, here is the charging wireless dock. Now I would assume most people have wireless charging on their phones now, but if you don't, it would be useless. So I would recommend it if you don't have a wireless charging tablet or phone. And you just right there, boom. All right, so yeah, you put the phone right here, and then you can see the little clock and little small stuff on the screen. They got volume up and down for your speaker. And yep, these are some nice looking devices. Great holiday pickups for your house or a gift. In my opinion, we're gonna give these guys a test run. I'll let you guys know my personal experiences with them, and I'll see what my dad thinks about the Google Nest Hub, because that's what I got him for. So yeah. Oh, y'all let me know what y'all thoughts are on these neat smart home devices. One's a clock and one's just a hub, basically a hub for all your essential things. Maybe cooking instructions and things in that sort. Videos, you can watch YouTube videos, possibly. So we're gonna let you guys know our experiences with these. But yeah, let me know if you pick these guys up and are you going to pick them up. All right. Thanks for watching this unboxing and minor setup and instruction video overall. All right. See you guys in the next video. Deuces.